The Enchanted Princess is the first new build to come out of the yard new and not go directly into guest service. It was actually 401 days since she's been complete from now receiving her first guest. It's so exciting for all the crew to get back to engaging with our guests. And so whether it's in the food, and the beverage, the entertainment, everyone is so excited to engage with guests again and create some magical vacation experiences. You know, the Princess Cruises brand is all about connecting people, places, and cultures around the world with amazing experiences. What sets the MedallionClass experience off from anyone else is its personalization at scale. We have large ships with all the features and amenities you can imagine, but the service itself is personalized and hassle-free because you're connected with the Medallion to the ship environment where all the technology is infused in, and so the only thing left to do is have a great experience.
We've had now like 3 weeks with the full crew getting it all ready, and you can feel the buzz around the ship, and everybody's just looking forward to doing what we do, is navigate the ship and entertain guests to have a great time, and that's all we want to do, and we can't wait to get back to it. I think it's going to be a big wow. Enchanted Princess, it's a wow ship, and they're going to be blown out of the water when they come on board.